fractional exponents, okay? So you have to know, yes, do I need to recall this? I'm going to pursue nursing. If you pass the exam, you don't need it anymore. I don't think nursing needs radicals. So today, we're gonna discuss radicals lang. So, wag kayong malito, negative exponent, ibababa lang siya sa denominator. Pero yung fractional exponent, dito na papasok ang radical sign. Okay? So, how do we evaluate radicals? When you say, kasi, for example, x raised to 1 half. Kita nyo ba? X raised to 1 half, that's the same thing as the square root of x. So, how do I explain this? Kunyari, x raised to 2/3, yung x raised to 2, ikikip pa rin siya sa loob. Tapos, yung denominator ng fraction exponent, magiging index siya sa labas. Okay? So, ganyan itsura niya. Yung 2 dito, mapupunta pa rin sa loob, here. Pero, yung denominator becomes the index outside. Okay? Congrats, Sai. Welcome back to the live. We have another alumni for today. But yes. Okay. So, that's what we need to know for now. And then, yes. So, tignan na natin, for example, here. This is raised to 2/3. Let's look at the sample. Wait lang. Burahin natin ang mga answers. Huwag nyo i-memorize. 1. Okay. Oop. Oop. Okay. We're ready. Let's start. Congrats, fellow Julianians. Oh, is that what we're calling us now? I was like, what is that? Is that a school? Thank you, Lester. Ano ginagamit? This is a Samsung tablet. Okay. Okay, so let's start with this one. This is raised to 2/3. So, like our example dito, 64 raised to 2/3 ang gagawin. Negative ba? Negative 64 raised to 2/3. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, i-keep pa rin natin yung 64 squared sa loob, tapos, nasa labas na yung 3 because denominator siya. May fandom name na pala. Hindi ko nga alam like ngayon lang yung nagawa. But yes, okay. So, I'm gonna teach you guys the techniques on how to get or change sign. Ay, hindi pala change sign, sorry. Negative pa rin siya. Let's start with something simple, okay? Hindi po mawawala. Sorry guys. Nadidistract ako. So, wait lang. I'm gonna teach you the simple example of radicals and paano siya maintindihan. So, this again, a radical is basically anything with the square root sign. Okay? So, pag sinabi kasing square, 2 yung index niya. Ang tawag dito sa number dito ay index. Starting yan from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. Tapos, yung nasa loob, ang tawag dyan ay radicand. Radicand. You don't need to know the name naman. Pero, the way I taught it last year is, hello to the 1K people, welcome back to the live. Yes, Pacers won today. Oh, congrats to the Pacers. And thank God, OKC lost. Anyway, welcome back to the live, everybody. Yes, we explain solutions here. That is T. Just kidding. So what was I gonna do? Oh, so usually the smallest number of the index is 2. Okay? 2. Pag walang number dito, ang ibig sabihin lang is 2 yung index niya, or square root. So, how do we put something out of a square root? Shade. Just kidding, guys. Hello, guys. If you're new here, welcome to the live. So, for example, if we have the number 64, or any number, let's start with 64. How do we put it out of the square root? This is a gate, okay, guys? Ang gate na to may guard. And yung guard has a requirement. The requirement is how many number is here on the index. So, pag walang number dito, automatic 2 yung number. Okay, so square root yan. Let's just put 2 here for now. Tapos, ang gagawin natin dito, guys, is if a factor, you know the factor 3, ayun ang gagawin natin. So, try natin i-factor 3. Or may alam ba kayo na, if perfect square to, obviously, you know na 8 and 8 to. Pero, like, yes, if you don't know that it's a perfect square, you can factor it out. You can do 32 and 2. And then, from there, wait lang, usog natin siya. Let's move it up. 32 and 2, and then can we still factor 2? That can be 8 and 4, or like you can keep going from 2. 16 and 2, 2 and 8. Right? Yeah, you can stop there. So, ang makukuha natin right now is we have 2, 8, 8, 2. And then, of course, that will lead you back to knowing that dalawang 8 lang to. 8 times 8. Now, how do you exit the gate? Paano siya lalabas or paano siya masisimplify? Dapat by pair siya kasi 2 ang nakalagay dito. Okay? Dapat by pair ang lalabas kasi 2 ang nakalagay dito. So, dahil dalawa ang 8 natin na nasa loob, you can rewrite 64 as 8 times 8. Pwede na siya lumabas as a pair. So, pag lalabas na siya ng gate here, magiging solo number na siya. They will become as 1. Okay? So, yes, my requirement, yes, magjowa ang dapat nalalabas. Yes, yun ang requirement ng guard. Kinasal. Yes, magiging asun. Kinasal pala sila. So, magiging 8 na lang siya. Kaya square root of 64 is 8. Okay? Now, are you gonna do other subtests? Not today, but pretty soon. Okay? I'm working my way there because I'm still afraid of other subtests. Again, guys, I was sitting in the live of the other people kasi science, one time science yung dinidiscuss nila. Tapos, kasi diba, kaya hindi ako nagsa-science right now is, hindi ko kasi ma-explain bawat number. So, yung nakita ko na nagsa-science na subtest, hindi niya naman ina-explain, like, sasabihin niya lang, ano answer dito? Tapos, oh, letter A. Yes, letter A ang tamang sagot. Tapos, next number na. So, hindi ko kaya hindi pa ako maka-science kasi hindi ko pa gets kung paano siya ituturo ng tinuturo talaga. Yes, I was just watching another person's live. But anyway, let's continue. What about a cube root of 54? Ngayon, this is the gate, guys. We have to simplify the cube root of 54. So, how do we do that? Kailangan, again, factor natin. Can somebody give me the factors of this? Any number, pwede naman. Pwedeng 9, tuturpahin. 9 times 6. 9 times 6. Right? Yes, 9 times 6. Okay. And then we can keep going. This is 3 times 3. And this is 3 times 2. Okay? So that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 2 is equal to 54. So we can rewrite that as 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. So this is, lagyan lang natin dito. 3 times 3 times 3 times 2 is the cube root. Now, ito ang gate. The guard says, kailangan 3 ang lalabas. So, what will it be? This is just, dahil 3 ang 3 dito, pwede sila lumabas. Okay? They can go out of the gate. Like, they can go out of the gate, and once they leave the radical, it becomes just 3. So, 3 sum sila. And then, ang 2, wala siyang kasama, kaya matitira pa rin siya sa loob. Okay? Do we understand that, guys? So, that is the simple way of understanding radicals. So, dahil ang 3, tatlo sila, pwede sila lumabas ng gate. Wholesome lang. That's what I meant. They're 3, yes. That's what we meant. Okay. Kasi sabi kanina, couple daw yung yung square root. Anyway, going back. Ngayon, isolve na natin to. Another thing you need to know, kapag negative ang nasa loob, pwede lang maging negative ang nasa loob, like negative 64, kapag odd ang index. So, pag hindi yan odd, bawal maging negative ang nasa loob. Okay? Yes. Thank you for the gifts, Evan and Son E and Beng. Okay. Pwede mag-start again? Yan kasi guys, ba't kayo kumakabilang bahay? Char. Okay lang, we just started, so we're still explaining the very basics of radicals. Yes, late sa class. Bakit kayo late? Ba't kasi, alam niyo yung pag-late kasi galing kayo sa ibang class. Sabihan niyo kasi yung last teacher niyo na mag-dismiss ng maaga. Char. Okay, so let's answer this one. So again, pag fraction yung exponent, fractional exponent, yung nasa taas or yung numerator dito, ma-maintain pa rin siya sa 64. So, pinasok lang natin siya dito. Tapos, ang denominator, mapupunta dito sa index. Ngayon, paano na natin isa-solve to? How do we solve this? Negative 64 squared. How do we solve that? Mawawala ba ang square root? Kasi squared siya. Ay, mawawala ba yung negative? Let's try lang, guys. I think mawawala yung negative. Tama ba? Kasi, is-square na siya eh. Try natin is-square. So, magiging 64 times 64, di ba? 64 times 64 yan. Try lang muna natin. Kasi technically, dapat hindi mawala. Pero may squared kasi siya. So, negative 64 times negative 64, mawawala ang negative. Kasi negative times negative is positive. Mawawala yung negative if naka-parenthesis. Yes, naka-parenthesis siya, guys, oh. See? Parenthesis. Yes, it's junior high math. Okay, so now what do? We're still gonna do the factor thing. Okay lang if nahihilo kayo. Kaya natin to, guys. Yes. Okay. So, this is 64. What are the factors? Again, yeah, it's the big Rubik's Cube. We can move it every time you get the correct answer. Okay. So, this is 8, and this is 8, right? And this is 8, and this is 8. So, that's 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, which is equal to 64 squared. Now, how do we exit? Ilan ang pwedeng lumabas ng gate na to? Ilan ang pwedeng lumabas sa gate na 3? 3. Yes, Mamon, it's 3. So, what is the answer gonna be? It's gonna be 8 cube root of 8. Wow. Yeah, I put that in your room because it's too small on me.
How about his top?
Nice.
Okay.
You wanna show? Guys, my mom is asking if the clothes are nice. Move back. How will they see? They can't see the... 2 times 2 times 2. Oh, you're right. Okay, so 8 cube root of 8. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. Okay? Yes daw, yes. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We're not done. Kasi 8 cube root of 8, pwede pa siya malabas. So, ang 8 na to, when you do that further, that's just 2 times 4 or 2 times 2 times 2. So, that's 2 cube, right? Now, dahil may threesome din sila dito, pwede din natin siya ilabas. And pag dalawang number ang ilalabas natin, paano naging 8? Kasi tatlong 8 yung nandito, nilabas natin siya, yung unang threesome. Tapos, isa na lang yung matitira sa loob. Okay? And then, so what will happen, guys? Pag nilabas yung 8, it will become 8, etong 8 na to, times yung nilabas natin na 2. Wala nang matitira sa loob, which is why it will become 16. Pwede pa malowest term yung 8? What? Yes. Okay. Did we get it? Let's see if the answer is 16. So, every time mailalabas ka, pwede siya ma-multiply sa kung ano na yung nasa labas. What word? Trio na lang. Trio. Ba't kasi, sino ba kasi nagsabi nun? Kasalanan mo yan. So, the answer is 16. Kita niyo ba yan? 16 ang sagot sa unang number. That is the shortcut. It's actually very short. Tinuturo ko lang slowly. Sumakit ulo. It's okay, guys. Mahirap talaga. Okay. Another example. Are we ready for another example? I'm not from Pisay, but I came from a science high school, guys. I think this was taught in grade 9, radicals. So, let's do another example. What does that sound? Let's do negative 32 minus 2 fifth. Ay, raised to negative 2 fifth. Okay? Ibubura ko na to, okay? We're gonna teach you the shortcut. Okay, let's go slowly. Let's go slowly to the next number. Negative 32 raised to negative 2 fifth. Again, what's gonna happen? Ang gagawin natin dito is let's first turn it into a radical. Turn it into a radical. Put the radical over here. Ano ang index niya, guys? What is the index or the number we put over here? Good luck na lang sa akin. Kaya natin to, guys. All together. 5. That's correct. Kasi, ang denominator ay ilalagay dito. Okay? Tapos, ang malalagay sa loob ay, tama. Negative siya. Wait lang, negative siya, guys. Negative ang exponent. So, what is the meaning of this? Wait, negative 2. Sige. Pwede na ba ganun? Ang inisip ko sa una, di ba pag negative ang exponent, for example, x raised to negative 2 fifth, pwede siya ilagay muna sa ilalim is equal to 1 over x raised to 2 fifth. Pero, wag na natin gawin. Sige, wag na. So, magiging negative 32 raised to negative 2. Okay? So, dahil raised to negative 2 siya, dito na natin siya i-reciprocal. Yes, reciprocal is the word. Is equal, copy again, yung 5 will be 1 over 32 squared, right? 32 squared kasi negative siya both. So, gawin na lang natin 32 times 32. Okay? 32 times 32. Gets ba natin yan so far? Gets ba yun so far, everybody? Kasi, dahil 2 siya, minultiply lang natin. 32 times 32 is 32 squared. Okay, gets daw. Now, the next thing we can do, guys, is pwedeng hatiin ang gate na to. Dahil may fraction na sa loob, pwedeng gawing dalawang fraction yan. This is the same, isulat mo lang, pero ihiwalay natin sila. May divorce na nangyari. Okay. So, pwede siya gawing fifth root of 1, pati fifth root ng nasa baba. Why po may 1? Kasi negative exponent siya. Okay? Negative exponent, kunyari, 1 over, x raised to negative 2, magiging 1 over x squared. Okay? Pag negative yung exponent, pwede siya ibaba or magiging denominator. Gets. Yes, this is a hard topic, guys. That's why we're teaching it very slowly. You're gonna want to repeat this episode. Yes, irreciprocal siya, guys. Okay. Are we ready? Recorded? Yes, it's recorded. I'm gonna have to cut out the things I was saying earlier. Science soon. But again, as I said earlier, it might be hard. Hindi pa tayo tapos, guys. Paulit. So far, all we did, let's just recap. Ang 5 dito, magiging index, tapos magiging negative 32 raised to negative 2. Tapos, ibababa natin yung 32 para mawala yung negative dito. Kita nyo ba yung negative niyan? Itatanggalin natin yung negative by putting it under. Tapos, dahil square root of 5 yan, fifth root yan, pwede natin siya ihiwalay. Gawing fifth root sa taas and fifth root sa baba. Gets ba natin? Okay, next na. Tapos, ang pwedeng mangyari dyan, bakit positive? Kasi, negative. Negative yun pareho. Negative times negative is positive, okay? Let's just write it down. People are having a hard time. I'm gonna write it down. Is equal to fifth root of 1 over negative 32 squared. Ayan na, guys, Step by the step tayo. Ayan. First step, binaba natin, mawawala ang negative sign. Ang next step dyan ay fifth root, magiging positive 1 over 32 times 32 kasi ang squared ng negative ay magiging positive. So, magiging 32 times 32 siya. Tapos, ngayon na meron na tayo niyan, pwede na natin ihiwalay ang fifth root ng 1 ng taas, pati fifth root ng below. Okay? Sana natin siya isusulat? Wala na tayong papel. Try. Okay. So, magiging fifth root ng nasa taas over fifth root ng nasa baba. And ano ang fifth root ng 1, guys? What is the fifth root of 1? The root of any 1. Pag 1 yan, pwede na tanggalin ang radical. Good job, Ronsky and Andre and Rayjan. So, yes. Pag square root ng 1, pag any root, basta may radical, tas 1 lang yung nasa loob, pwede mo tanggalin yung root. Okay? Kasi ang 1, multiplied by 1 lang yan all the time. 1 times 1 times 1 is all the same. Kaya, pwede na tanggalin ang fifth root ng 1. Now, what are we left with? This is 32 times 32. Kailangan na natin maglabas sa gate ng 5 daw. Anong pwedeng ilabas na 5? Joke lang yun. 32 yun, guys. Possible po ba ito yung bus? Anything can come out of the entrance exam. Okay? So, how many 2's are in 32? That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay? So, basically, 32 is 2 raised to 5 times 2 raised to 5. So, kung dalawang 2 raised to 5, ang pwede ilabas. Ganito pala. Another thing you have to remember is, kunyari, going back to the roots, okay? If it's ganito siya, 2, tapos 2 raised to 4, ang pwede natin ilabas, i-divide mo lang ang number na ito dito. Pag ilalabas na ang 2 na to, ang mangyayari dyan is i-divide mo lang. 4 divided by 2 will give you, pag nilabas yan, 2 squared equal to 4. Okay? So, ganun siya ilalabas. Gets daw, gets. Okay. For example, x raised to 4 yan. Kahit x raised to 4 yan, ang square root ng x raised to 4 ay x squared. So, basically, i-divide mo lang siya. Okay? So, now that we know that this is 2 raised to 5 and dalawang 2 raised to 5 yan, pwede natin sila pareho ilabas. So, that will be 2 raised to 10. So, that will be 2. Ilabas na lang natin isa-isa. Dahil 2 raised to 5 yan, pwede natin siya ilabas. That will be 2. Tapos, yung isa pang 2 raised to 5, ilalabas din natin. Magiging times 2. Okay? So, that will be 2 times 2. And yung taas is 1. So, that will be 1 over 4. Amazing! Did we do that all together? Isn't that so amazing, guys? Wait, I want to clap for us. That was hard. That was hard, guys. Nahilo ako. Okay lang yun. Nakahilo talagang radicals. I think the good thing about it is sana hindi ganyan kadami or hindi super madami ang radicals na ilalagay. Thank you, JJ, Love, Jomer, for the gifts. Ilhasi. Okay, next na guys. Kaya natin to. Let's see if we got the correct answer. 1/4. We did it. Amazing. Kita nyo yan? So, ang ginawa nila, again, ibababa ang 32. Una, binaba nila buo kasi negative. Tapos, pagkababa mo ng buo, ginawa niyang radical na ganito. So, same lang siya sa ginawa natin medyo. Tapos, doon niya na sinimplify. Okay? Sinimplify niya by getting yung 5 magiging index, tapos raised to 2 pa rin. Sa labas nila nilalagay yung 2. Pero same lang yun, guys. Pwede din. If gusto nyo mas mahirap, pahirap ng pahirap, okay lang yun, guys. We're gonna get through this together. May formula ba yan? Sasagot ako. Wala siyang solution, itong mismong reviewer na to. But we have a lot of free reviewers over here if you guys wanna try. If you wanna answer on your own, there's free reviewers here on my Instagram. Free PDFs, okay. GenMat naman. Wait lang. We're still doing radicals today. We did GenMat in the first few days of our review. If you want to check that out, you can go to my YouTube. Nandun yung replays. Yes, we uploaded on YouTube. Okay, next question. 6x raised to 18. Ba't ko binura? X raised to 18, basic lang yan, guys. Dahil 18 yan, like I told you, all you have to do is divide it by 6, right? Divide 18 by 6 kasi ilalabas natin yung x dito. Kaya, the answer will be, what will the answer be? X answer. Hindi siya x. It's x raised to, yes, cent. It's x raised to 3. Kasi all you have to do, 18 divided by 6. Ilang 80x ang pwedeng lumabas kung per 6 sila. Okay. So, ang gagawin dyan, bakit ganun? Kasi the boat is the boat is sinking. Group yourself into 6. Okay? Group yourself into 6. 18 silang nasa loob. So, ilang group ang mako-form? 18 divided by 6. Okay. That's so easy. So easy. We got it. 18 over 6, as you can see here. Kaya x raised to 3. Exponential rule. We did that in the last few also. Okay, last one, guys. Hala! Dalawa na sila. Are we ready? Let's write it down. 3 third root of x raised to 6. Tapos yung cube ba to? Or third root din yan. Third root of 2x squared cube. 2x squared cube. Halang taba nung pen natin. Okay. 2x squared cube. Okay. Paano natin siya ilalabas? The first thing I noticed, guys, 4x raised to 4. Ang cube dito, cube to, diba? Ito cube to. Tapos, cube din to. So, pwede natin i-cancel out. Pwede natin i-cancel out ang cube na to at ang cube na to. Ilalabas natin ang buo ito. Okay? Pwede siya malabas buo. So, ang mangyayari dyan ay magiging 2x squared na lang siya. Tapos, multiplied pa rin yan dito. Now, let's simplify this one. Ilang 2 ang meron sa 8? That's 2 times 2 times 2. And then, pwede na natin siya ilabas, diba? Pwede natin siya ilabas. That will be 2. Dahil both is sinking. Both is sinking na lang, hindi na threesome. I-divide ang 2, ang tatlong 2 na to, pwede sila lumabas. pwede silang lumabas ng gate kasi tatlo sila. And then, lastly, x raised to 6, ilan na lang ang matitira pag nilabas na siya. Pag nilabas na yung 2 sa radical, what will it be? x6, lalabas sa gate ng 3, what will it be? X squared, yes. Wala nagsasabi ng x squared. Okay, x squared siya, guys. Kasi, 6 divided by 3 will give you x squared. Okay? Yes, x squared. 2x squared. Now, mayroon pa rin natira na 2x squared dito. So, i-multiply lang natin yan. 2x squared times 2x squared will give you 4x4. Now, let's see if I love x. Sana nandito x mo. Ipipin kita. Shout out sa ex ni Joshua Baltazar. Ipin ang mga nagre-relapse dyan. Dapat hindi yan tinotolerate. Char. Okay, let's continue. Hala X daw. Andyan ba X mo? Let's continue. Tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot. Oh my God, we're correct, guys. 4x raised to 4 ang sagot. Okay? Relapse na naman. Paano naging 2x squared ulit? Alin? Dito sa una? Yung una, kasi dahil tatlong 2 ang 8, nilabas natin yung tatlong 2, magiging 2 lang siya. Tapos yung x raised to 6, i-divide mo lang by 3. I don't like that. It's okay lang. X raised to 6 divided by 3 will give you x squared. Okay? Kaya ako nandito. Paano po yung number 2 kanina? That was long, but we're gonna go into more hard problems, okay? So, okay lang for beach. Okay lang. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines. May quiz be kayo tomorrow. That's crazy. Good luck. Okay. So, we're done. Are we done with radicals? Okay. 3 ways to simplify radicals. Wow. Amazing. Okay, let's just do examples. Let's try to keep doing examples. Thank you for the paper crane. Alpha. That's crazy. You guys don't need to send yes. We're here to teach for free. Okay. Don't waste your money if you don't have money. I'm late again, ma'am. It's okay, Net. Ba't kasi kayo nasa ibang classroom? Char. Dapat hindi kayo tumatambay sa ibang section. Perfect powers. Ano meaning nito? Removal of perfect powers. Feel ko yan yung ginawa natin kanina. Yan ba yung ginawa natin kanina? Try lang natin isolve itong una. So, 32, this is just again, 2 raised to 5 yan. 5 2 ang meron sa 32. So, that's 2 raised to 5. Ilang 2 ang pwede natin ilabas? Hello, Nico! You're back! Tapos na ba ang sem mo, Nico? Wag na magtambay, guys. Are we going to face each other? What do you mean, Justin? I usually go live at 8 p.m., guys. Ilan ang pwedeng ilabas? Dahil, same lang yan dito, guys. Dahil 3 yan, 3 lang ang pwede lumabas. Okay? 3 2 lang ang pwede lumabas. So, ilang 2 ang may iwan sa loob? Dahil, maglalabas tayo ng 2 here. Let's put the 2 outside. Ang matitira sa loob ay, yes, 2. So, 2 raised to 2 pa rin ang nasa loob. Kasi ang 2 cube, nilabas na natin, magiging as 1 na lang siya. Okay? Wala na siyang cube. Kasi nilabas natin siya sa cube root. And then, next. So, x raised to 4, ilan ang pwedeng ilabas? 3 lang ang pwede ilabas. So, ima-minus lang siya. Hindi pala divide. Divide ba yung sabi ko kanina? Hindi, divide naman yan. Hindi, tama lang. Divide pala. Yes, divide siya. So, dahil ang x raised to 4, same lang yan as x times x times x times x. Okay? Yes, divide yan, guys. Sorry. So, dahil group yourself siya into 3, ilan ang pwede lumabas? 3 lang ang pwede lumabas. Pag lumabas sila, magiging as 1 sila, kaya x na lang siya dito. And then, itong isa, may iwan siya kasi hindi siya pinili. You know the group yourself sa Squid Games? So, may iwan siya sa loob. Kaya, isang x ang natira sa loob. Okay? So, next, for letter y, ano ang magiging labas na value? For letter y, since 3 to, you're gonna have to think of kung ilang 3 ang meron sa 32. So, tapos yung remainder niya ang magiging exponent ng loob. 5 daw. Tignan natin. 32, 10, 'di ba? Kasi y raised to 3 times, yes, 10 siya. So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, guys, i-divide nyo. 32 divided by 3. 10 ang sagot. Ano ang remainder? Remainder 2. So, y squared, yung remainder ang matitira sa loob. And then, yung labas will be raised to 10. So, 2xy raised to 10. Tapos, 2 squared, or 4xy squared. So, the answer is 2xy raised to 10. Asan yung sagot niya? Yung sagot ay, gets ba natin? Hiniwalay niya lang. So, ito yung labas, which is 2xy raised to 10, and then ito yung loob. So, this is the loob. Okay? Amazing. Bakit ang simple sa'yo? Pero pag mock test, mahirap na. Kaya nyo yan, guys. It's gonna get easier if we're gonna keep answering it together. Okay? Next question. Do we keep going? This is so boring. I hate radicals. Hello, Nico. I'm not gonna shut. Let's report. Yes, okay, next. Let's continue. Next. Shall we do this next one or no? Math major here. Thank you. Wait, where is he saying? You're doing well. Thank you, ma'am X. I'm not a math major, so forgive me. Let's do this next one, guys. Ilang 2 ang meron? Hala, negative siya. Mamaya na natin pansinin yung negative. Pero dahil raised to 5 naman siya, it's okay. Okay. So, pwede naman magkaroon ng negative sa loob if raised to 5 siya. Let's see kung ano magiging sagot nung later. Okay. So, ilang 2 ang meron sa 64? That's 2 raised to 6, right? Kasi 32 is 2 raised to 5, tapos times 2. So, may isang 2 raised to 5. 6, yes, correct, guys. Yung 2 raised to 5, pwede natin ilabas, and dahil group yourselves into 5 siya, magiging 2 na lang yung nasa labas. Halang pangit naman. 2. Tapos, yung isang 2, matitira sa loob. Okay? Wala siyang ibang kasama. What the hell? What grade? This is grade 8 or grade 9, I think. I think grade 9. Next. Hala, raised to 14. Joke lang, guys. Raised to 14 ang 64. Mamaya na natin siya gagawin. Raised to 14 pala. Pag raised to 14, ilang 5 ang meron sa 14? Ilang 5 ang meron sa 14? And if wala po, meron po ba kayong kilala na meron? Wait, what did you say? I didn't see the first. NMAT? Check the Google Drives. Baka may NMAT dun. 2. 2? Yes, 2. So, maglalabas tayo ng 64 raised to 2. Tapos, ang matitira sa loob ay 64 raised to 4. Is that correct? 64 raised to 4. Pero pwede pa yun ilabas kasi this can be 32, diba? 32, mamaya na. We'll deal with it later. Should we deal with it now? Mahirap. Ang hirap naman yan. Yung G drives ay nasa Instagram ko. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We try to make math easy for people to understand. So, diba 2 raised to 6 to? Tapos, raised to 4 pa siya. Okay. Let's just do it again. Ang pangit naman ng question. Ayoko na. Char. So, 64, we know, is 2 raised to 6. So, 2 raised to 6 to 14 na lang ang tignan natin. Okay? 2 raised to 4 raised to 14. So, now we have to multiply. Never mind. Wait, this is harder. Let's just already put out 14 times, shotgun na lang. 14 times 6 is 24. 84. Okay? Ilang 84? This is 2 raised to 84. 2 raised to 84. Ilang Ilang 5 ang meron sa 84? A ba yun? Nasaan yung A? Ah, A nga. See, this is the problem of the, A daw, A raised to 14 daw siya. Kasi may A nga dito. Fake news, what the frick? What the hell is it? Wag na nga yan, nainis ako sa problem. Skip. Char. Do we want to continue? Wait. I want to put out a poll just in case because we live in a democracy here. Should we go to the questions already? Quick poll. Happy face, skip, sad face, continue the question. Me sa UPCAT. Questions na daw, sabi ni rage bait. That's a rage bait question. May A kasi dapat doon. Ba't sila ganyan? Negative 64. A raised to 14 yan. Ba't kayo ganyan? Yan, skip. Tama, skip na natin yan. Next question. Aham. I need water. UPCAT, pinakamadaling exam sa UP. That's true. Happy face, skip. Sad face, go next. Okay. Continue daw. Kaya nyo na yan. Andito na yung sagot. Joke lang. Pero try na natin. Ang boring na, guys. Try na natin ang problems. Kasi baka mas madali naman yung problem dun. Okay. Welcome to the radical section. Are we ready? Are we ready for the actual UPCAT questions? Yes. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. Hell no. Yes, this Toblerone, look at it, guys. I'm doing my internship kasi in this company. That's why I have like a Toblerone here. Amazing. You see that? But yes. Let's continue. Hell yeah. Multiply square root of 15 times square root of 125 minus square root of 15. Hala kayo. Hindi pa tayo marunong mag-minus. Babalik ba tayo sa Okay, ituturo ko, guys. Paano mag-multiply, paano mag-minus. Magtuturo tayo for today. Paano mag-minus ng radicals. Balik na nga tayo na rage bait kasi. Me when I don't have patience. Nasaan na yung, niya? Let's go to multiplying, multiplication or addition and subtraction. Okay, skip lang natin yung question kanina. We're going to addition and subtraction. Okay? Addition and subtraction. How are we gonna add and subtract radicals? So, pwede lang ma-add and subtract ang radicals of the same order. Kailangan same order and same radicand. Ano ibig sabihin ng same order and same radicand? So, order is the index that I was calling. For example, 5 square root of x minus 2 square root of x. Dahil same ang square root of x and square root of x, pwede siya ma-minus. So, anong sagot nito? Ma-minus mo lang ang 5 minus 2, which will give you 3 square root of x. X. Okay? Yes, 3. Okay, what about, sabi, 5 cube root of x minus 5 square root of x. Pwede ba yan ma-minus? Hindi yan pwede i-minus. Page 46 ang lesson. 46 ang lesson. Hindi siya pwede i-minus, guys. So, yan na ang final answer. Kasi, dapat same ang index niya. So, hindi tugma ang gate nila. So, hindi sila pwede i-minus. Another one, pwede ba ang square root of x and square root of y? Hindi din siya pwede. Kasi, hindi same ang nasa loob. Okay? Hindi same yung nasa loob. So, hindi sila pwede i-minus. So, let's look, for example, etong question. The addition of radicals. Addition daw pero puro minus. Okay. Let's see what they did. Ang hirap naman. Magbigay tayo ng madali. Kasi ayoko ng mahirap. Char. So, square root of 54, again, minus square root of 8. Square root of 54 minus square root of 8. How are we gonna solve this? Hindi ganyan kahaba yung question sa UPCAT, guys. I mean, Nico would, possible naman na ganyan kahirap, pero let's start with simple examples. You don't have to hate math, guys. We're here to make you like math. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to follow so that we can continue to keep doing lives. Thank you for the gift, Kaij. Okay, 46. No, it's not 46, Ronsky. So, pag hindi same ang loob, okay, remember, kailangan same ang nasa loob ng radical. Pag hindi sila same ng nasa loob, hindi sila pwede i-minus. So, ang goal natin ay gawing same ang nasa loob. I-simplify muna natin ang radical. So, 54, paano natin ito i-simplify? This is 9 times 6, this is 3 times 3, and 3 times 3. What is the simplification of square root of 54? What is the simplify? So, 3 times 2 yan. What's the answer, guys? It's 3, yes, 3 square root of 2. Tapos, itong 8 naman ay 2 times 2. Square root pala. Hala, hindi pala same. Joke lang yan. 16. Baguhin natin ang question. 3 cube root of 2. Okay? Binago ang question. Boys at the back. Tapos, itong 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Hello, Cristel. Hi, Julia Menjola. Not the full name. 1/4. Yes, mamaya may pop quiz tayo. Makinig kayo right now. Okay. So, tatlong 2 ang pwede lumabas kasi 3 ang index natin. So, dahil 3 ang index, magiging, what is the final answer nitong cube root of 16? What is cube root of 16? Wala kang 1/4. Next time, class, bawal na manghiram sa classmate nyo. Okay? This is your final warning. Sir, Among Us? Nandyan ba? Among Us? Where's my Among Us? I have a bunch of Among Us, guys. I have a collection of Among Us. Yes, it's 2 cube root of 2. Okay? Etong tatlong 2, pwede siya ilabas. Copy the cube root, and may iwan ang 2. Now, as you can see, same ang index. Ang index again, ito. Same silang cube root, and then same ang loob na 2. So, what does this mean? Pwede na natin siya i-minus. Yes, 1/4. Guys, hindi kayo nakikinig. Nabubulol. Walang recess. After the quiz ang recess, guys. What's the final answer, guys? 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So, that's just cube root of 2. Yes. Cube root of 2 ang sagot. Cube root of 2. Okay, gets na natin yan. Moving on to multiplication. Multiplication. To multiply two radicals of the same order, use the law on radicals. Hala, may law on radicals. Okay. So, pag same ang order or same ang kita niyo ba? Kapag same ang index dito, or the order is what they call it, pwede sila ipagsama na lang into one home. Kasi gate yan, di ba guys? Pag same yung gate nila, pwede sila pumasok both into one. Ma'am, may nandudura daw. 1/4 nga, ba't pa ulit-ulit? Class, pag hindi kayo nakinig, lumabas na lang kayo. Okay. So, 2 square root of x times square root of y. What is the answer? Name of the file is PTS Mathematics Reviewer. It's free here on my Instagram. Go to the first story on the highlight. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. It helps us continue doing these lives for free. Ano ang sagot, guys? Hindi kayo nakinig. Nasa na ang top 1 natin? Siya ang sasagot. Char. Square root of x times y. Congrats, Sen. Ikaw ang unang sumagot. Wala ako radical sign. So, that will be square root of x times y. Pwede na siya ipasok kasi parehong 2 ang index nila. Okay? Parehong 2 ang index nila, kaya pwede na siya ipasok. For example, ito cube root, ito. I-block natin ang sagot. Dahil, hindi nyo naman nakita, di ba? Pop quiz. Ayan, 1/4. Isulat nyo sa 1/4 right now. Guys, you know, I was thinking, do you want to... But then, may hirapan kasi. I was thinking like, one of these days, one of these days, I was thinking one of these days we could do like, you could join the live and then you have to answer the next question. But maybe the next day. One of these days na. Okay, nakahilo po. Kaya natin to, guys. Pwede 3/4, wala nang 3/4. Nico, gusto mo sumagot? Pop quiz. What if nakaya? Hindi naman on kami. Like your voice lang. Kung gusto niyo lang. Maybe next live we can do. Yes, we can do like a day where wala akong masasagot. Nico, taga-UP ka na. Dapat need mo i-prove ulit. Char. Yes, okay, one of these days we can do the idea. We can do like, you can answer one question and go on live. Okay, so this is a cube root and this is a cube root. Dahil pwede siya, cube root siya pareho, pwede natin siya i-multiply. So, copy the cube root and ipapagsama natin sila all in one house. That will be 4 times 4 is 16, x raised to 8. Bakit 8? Kasi x cubed and x raised to 15. Pwede na siya i-multiply. And when you multiply x cubed and x raised to 5, i-add lang ang exponents nila. So, the last one will be y raised to 4. Okay? So, that's 316 y raised to 4. Hala, hindi daw yun ang sagot. Bakit hindi yun ang sagot niya? Thank you, Kafkaesque. Kafkaesque. Guys, we have another alumni. Another alumni here coming back to show you that there is hope in watching TikTok lives. Okay, hindi pa kasi final ang sagot kasi pwede pa siya i-simplify. Bakit pwede pa siya i-simplify? Kasi pwede pa i-simplify, sabi niya eh. So, ilalabas pa natin siya. Ilang 2 ang meron sa 16? That's 2 raised to 4. So, ilang 2 ang pwedeng lumabas? Pabas-bas po sa mga passer. Yes, you can bas-bas there, guys, if you guys are alumni of the review center. 3 ang pwede lumabas. And pag lumabas ang 3, magiging isa na lang siya. Magiging isang dibdib. Mag-iisang dibdib. What's that? Wow. Wow. You want to show? Backless. Wow, pakita mo nga. Guys, my mom's going to Bohol, so she's checking, fit checking. Go, show your back. Wow, ba't ang gulo? Ganyan talaga yun.
Hindi ko pa inayos. Magulo lang.
Backless daw. Julia Review Center. Okay, let's continue. So, 2 ang matitira sa loob kasi 4 na 2 yan. 3 2 ang lalabas, magiging isa na lang sila. And isang 2 ang matitira sa loob. Okay. Let's continue. So, x raised to 8, ilan ang pwedeng lumabas? Hindi po ba pwede i-cancel yung cube? Hindi siya maka-cancel, guys. I get what you mean. Hindi siya pwede. Bohol represent. Are you guys from Bohol? My mom's going to Bohol. Fit checking. She keeps going back inside my room. Ilang x raised to 5, ilang x ang meron na pwede lumabas? Or ano yung magiging exponent ng x na lang? Yes, 2. It will be 2. So, x squared siya. Kasi, this is 8 divided by 3 will give you 2. Kaya 2 dito. And ano ang exponent na matitira sa loob? What is the exponent na matitira sa loob? It's 6 minus 2 is 2. Yes, amazing, amazing guys. And then for y, walang exponent yung y kasi 4 yan. So, 3 dyan ay mapupunta sa labas. And then, isang y ang matitira sa loob. So, now let's check if the answer is the same. 2x squared y cube. Hala, cube. Ay, hindi. Y pala. Y, cube root of 2x squared y. Okay. Amazing, amazing. Did we get that? Bakit po walang 2 yung y? Kasi, y raised to 4 siya, diba? Y raised to 4, ilan ang pwedeng lumabas sa 3? Isang 3 lang ang pwedeng lumabas. Kaya wala siyang squared. Okay? Ano yun? Which one? Nalito lang sa x raised to 8. Yes. Gets, yes galing. Yes galing taina. Yes, nag-load. Okay. Jay, you're late. It's okay. Are we ready to conquer? Next example, let's see. To multiply 2 radicand of different order, it is necessary to express them as radicals of the same order. That's so crazy. How are we gonna do that? Integrals, wag naman. Char, kaya naman. Paano siya gagawin? So, for example, guys, kailangan daw maging same ang radical nila. Dito nahihirap ang buhay natin, okay? Kailangan mo natandaan ang mga fraction stuff. So, if we have to multiply cube root of 2 and square root of 3, cube root of 2, square root of 3, hindi same ang exponent nila. Go sa integrals. Kailangan mo ba ng integrals sa pharmacy, Luxy? So, that's 2. So, ang gagawin dyan, ibabalik natin siya into fraction form. So, ang fraction form, ano fraction form ng cube root? That's 1/3. Ang fraction form ng square root ay 1/2. Okay? So, gagawin lang siyang fraction. Tapos, gagawin natin same fraction. Ano tawag doon? Same denominator. Similar fractions. So, Ano yung LCD or least common denominator ng 2 and 3? That is 6. Kaya 6 siya dito. Tapos, you just divide. 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. And 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. So, gagawin lang siyang similar fractions. Okay? So, now that you're in similar fraction form, this will be 6 cube root of 2 and 6 cube root of 3. Now, pwede na siya i-multiply. Nakalimutan lang nila yung cube root dito. That pwede na siya i-multiply ang nasa loob. That will give you 4 times 27. And then this is the final answer. Okay? Oh, that was kind of hard. Did we understand that or was it kind of hard? Grade 11 naman. Hanggang grade 10 lang. Alam ko grade 7 to grade 10 lang ang UPCAT. So, yes. Thank you, Purple, for the rose, and RCY, and Noble Fricks. Hello, CM. Sorry I didn't see. Well, welcome back to the live. Okay na to. Yes, free reviewers are on IG. How do you stream? You use TikTok Studio. This is a Samsung tablet, by the way. Okay, let's finally get to the question. Guys, we're gonna have a graded recitation. Sino ang gustong sumagot? Emmy, asa na? Hala, nawala. Joke lang. Hala, na-skip tuloy. Graded recitation. Bring out your index card. Plane geometry. Where did we go? Ayan. Balik na tayo sa radical. Sagutin natin ang number 15. Ako, pwede ba mag-go? How do we accept? Or next time na? Next time na tayo mag-accept. Next topic, next meeting. I'll see if matatapos natin yung radicals. If we're gonna finish it now, baka next topic na. Invite guests. Wag ako. We're gonna call at random or alphabetical. Char! Guys, sasagutin nyo ba talaga? Okay. Okay. Sasagutin nyo ah. Ay, hindi ko alam if marinig ko. Wait. Are we ready? Yes daw. Invite guests. Try daw. Gusto nyo i-try? Follow right now first. Make sure to follow. We only accept the people who follow me. How will I do this? I don't know how to do this. I'm scared. Sagot dyan, si. Wait lang, natatawa to, guys. Next na lang. Isa lang. Eto. I don't know how to kick them. Just make sure to leave if you're done. Welcome to the live, Purple. If you're there. How? Hello?
Hi po.
Wow, amazing. Okay. Okay, so what is your first step?
First is I will distribute the squared 15 to the number inside of a parenthesis.
Okay, we can do that. Pero pag ginawa yun, di ba lalaki yung number? So you want to multiply 15 times 125. Ayaw nga, yun lang yung pwede natin gawin. No? Yun lang yung pwede natin
Yes
gawin.
po.
Okay. So we're gonna multiply that. What would that give us? 15. Wag muna natin siya ipasok. So that will be 15 times 125 minus
Then
15 squared, right?
15 times 15.
Tapos what?
Okay.
Okay.
Then after that, unahin po natin yung 15 times 125. That will give us the answer of square root of 5,636,250,000. Ay, wait lang.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I know what you did. You
Um,
multiplied it, which will make it big. Pero, pwede natin gawin.
375 po.
Yeah, i-factor na lang natin siya. This is 15 is
Sige
5 and
po.
3. Tapos, 125 is, ilang 5 yan? That's 25 times.
Wait lang.
You can just factor to it. So, 5 dito, 25 to. And then, this is just 5 times 5. So,
Okay.
just in case, I mean, if you can mentally solve it, mas madali din yan. You can do that, but yes. Okay, so, let's simplify the outside. Ilang 5 ang pwedeng ilabas sa square root dun sa unang number?
Isa lang po.
Isa. So, square root. Ilang 5 to? Wait lang. So, there's this 5, this 5, this 5, and this 5.
Bali 4.
Yeah, so, apat yung 5. So, ilan na lang siya paglabas? Ano yung exponent niya?
Um, 2 po.
2? Yes, 2. Congrats. Because 5 raised to 4, yung nasa loob, kasi apat siya. Pag nilabas siya, by pair sila lalabas.
Minus
Kaya 2.
1.
So, tama. 2. And then, ano na lang ang matitira sa loob?
5,
Tino.
5 na lang.
3. This one na lang. Ay, yeah.
3
Yeah,
and
3. So, 5 squared tapos 3. And then, yan, mas okay ganyan. Wait, mom, I'm talking to somebody. Okay, so let's continue. So, that's 5 squared and then square root of 3. And then, ano mangyayari dito sa 15 squared
um,
na may square root?
makakancel po yung sine, square root, and squared.
Okay, so yes, cancel siya, which will just leave 5
15.
squared, yes. Square root of 3 minus 15. And this is 25 square root of 3 minus 15. So, the answer is D. Right?
Letter D.
Yes. Okay, so the answer is letter D. Thank you, Purple, for being here. Thank you, Purple. Say bye. Wait, the chili. What happened? Thank you, Purple, for joining. Guys, umalis talaga sila. That's so crazy. People left. Thank you, Purple, for joining us. That was 25 square root of 3 minus 15. So the answer is letter D. Amazing. You did it, Purple. Guys, hindi yun. Ba't sila umalis? Come back, guys. Pwede na kayo bumalik ng room. Natakot sila. You know, ng online class, pag online reset, pwede ka lang mag-disconnect. That's crazy. Guys, come back. Call them back. Nico, ikaw na sunod. Char. Okay, mamaya na ulit. Nawala tuloy sila. Ayan na, bumabalik na sila. Nagpaalam lang sila mag-CR kasi nagtawag. Nawala. Decline matic. Nico, wala kang choice. Char. Period. Purple, you ate. That was amazing. But, yeah. So, it's better to factor 3 than to multiply kasi wala kayong calcu sa UPCAT. So, just remember that. No calcu in the UPCAT. Thank you for joining us, Purple. Let's continue. Thank you, Faith, for the gifts and Abex. Alin sa sumusunod? Ayan, bumalik na sila. 1K na ulit. Guys, no connection. Luxy, ikaw na sunod. Char. Itawag ang mga hindi nag-eye contact. Pag kayo umalis ng classroom, tatawagin kayo ulit. Asan ba ko titingin sa baba? Nag-cutting po ako. Lag daw. Hala, bumalik na talaga sila. Hindi pa... Nawala net. Ba't kayo... Guys, hindi naman kayo tatawagin. That's so crazy. Okay. Next session, ang graded recit. Kabahan kayo. Mag-aral na kayo. Alin sa sumusunod ang hindi rational? Okay. So again, we're looking at the rules here. We're looking at the rules. Choppy. Family problem. No, that's crazy. Family problem lang po, ma'am. E daw ang sagot. Okay, wait. So, what we have to remember here is bawal maging negative ang nasa loob kapag cube root siya. Okay? Or basta bawal negative pag even. Pag even ang index, bawal negative. Pero, eto nasa labas naman siya. So, pwede ito. Eto nasa labas. Nasa loob. Pero, odd siya. So, pwede yan. Pwede yan. Lag daw. Guys, why did you come back? Tignan nyo, nawala sila kanina. Ba't kayo ganyan? Nawala talaga sila kanina. D daw? Mali bang D? Wait lang, check muna natin. So, obviously, tama ang 1 kasi that's just square root of 16. Okay? And any positive, pwede positive sa square root. Pwede positive sa square root. Ito naman, this will give you negative 2 ang sagot. Kasi negative 2 cube is equal to negative 8. And then, itong pangatlo, nasa labas ang negative. So, tama din yan. Bakit mali ito? Bakit siya mali? Wala bang... D po kasi hindi siya perfect cube. Yun ba ang meaning nun? Pero sige. D daw ang sagot. Kasi, that would be negative 8 times 2. Pwede natin ilabas ang negative 8. Pwede ilabas yung negative 8. That will give you negative 2 cube root of 2. I don't know, hindi ba rational ang negative 2 cube root of 2? Gets naman. So, hindi rational ang mga radicals. Yes. Radicals are not rational daw. Kasi ito whole number ang sagot. This will be equal to 4. Ito whole number ang sagot. Ito whole number ang sagot. So, dahil hindi whole number ang sagot dito, hindi siya rational. Not whole number. Pero real number pa yun siya, guys. Not whole number. So, the answer is letter D. Welcome back to everyone who went to the CR na hindi na umalis because of the graded recitation. Please do not leave next time. Ilalak ko ang pinto. Char. Explain po yung C. Okay, bakit pwede ang C? Kasi nasa labas naman ang minus sign. So, kahit ano pa ang maging loob niyan. So, okay, let's answer it. Negative square root of 16 times 4. Ang 16 ay 4 times 4. Ano ang magiging sagot? Okay. So, that will give you, pwedeng lumabas ang dalawang 4 na to. 'Di ba? Lalabas ang dalawang 4, magiging 4 sa labas. Etong 2, pwede siya maging 2 times 2. So, pwede din lumabas ang dalawang 2. 4 times 2, tapos negative will give negative 8. So, the answer is negative 8. Bawal na mag-CR, guys. Dahil lumabas na kayo kanina during recitation. Make sure to bring a 1 by 1 on the next class. Okay, amazing. So, negative 8 ang sagot din dito. Kaya, ito lang ang hindi whole number. Gets ba natin? Are we ready to move on to the next question? Grabe, umalis talaga sila. Mga 2/3 ang umalis kanina. Okay. May kumakain sa likod. Okay lang yan. Alam nyo ba guys, sa Ateneo, pwede kumain sa classroom. I mean, usually, pag chill ang teacher. Pwede ka kumain habang nagka-class. So, yes, it's so fun. Rationalize the denominator. Okay, this is a new lesson, everybody. Hindi nyo pa alam to. Char. Rationalize the denominator. What does that mean? Feeling Atenean. Ganun din naman sa UP, diba, Nico? Ganun ba sa UP? Pwede kumain sa class? I feel like pwede naman. Yes, we have to multiply. Ano ba meaning ng rationalize the denominator? Ang ibig sabihin yan, guys, kasi bawal talaga. Bawal magkaroon ng radical kasi sa ilalim. So, dapat dyan, baguhin or tanggalin. And paano matatanggal ang radical na to? I'll give a simple example first. This is what we call rationalization. Yes. Bawal magkaroon ng radical sa ba. So, for example, 2 square root of 2. Paano ito i-rationalize? Kailangan makancel out ang square root sa ilalim. So, ang gagawin dyan, mag-multiply lang tayo ng square root sa kanya para makancel out siya. So, that will be multiply square root of 2 over square root of 2 para etong number na to, equal pa rin yan sa 1. Okay? Equal pa rin yan sa 1, kaya pwede siya i-multiply. And then that will give you, yung taas, i-multiply mo lang to, that's 2 square root of 2. Tapos, ang baba nito, magiging, makakancel out ang square root. So, that will leave you with 2. Wala akong maintindihan. Just ask questions, guys. You can ask questions if you don't understand. Yes. So, that will leave us with, cancel out the 2. The answer is square root of 2. Okay? Parang sumasakit na. Yeah, radicals are hard talaga, guys. So, just make sure to follow. I feel like my head, I'm also getting tired. But, yes. Pero, we usually go live every other day. But you can join my Instagram channel or my TikTok bulletin. I announce when I go live. So, yes. Maka-cancel out ang 2 kasi may 2 sa taas. Multiply kasi itong 2, diba? Multiply lang to. This is just 2. And then, itong divide siya. So, you can just cancel this out. Kaya magiging square root of 2 ang sagot. I might end at 9:30. I'll let you guys know. Yes, tatalino ka talaga here. Okay. For repeat, I'll give you another example, guys. Another example, let's do 9 over square root of 3. Anong unang gagawin natin, guys? Dahil need natin i-cancel out ang radical dito sa baba, kasi bawal magkaroon ng radical sa baba, ika-copy lang or yung radical. Kung ano yung nasa ilalim, yun ang ika-copy. Okay? Hindi siya, yes, multiply. So, that will leave us with 9 square root of 3 over, wow, Nico, sumasagot ka. Dapat tawagin na yan. Tawagin on the board. Come to the board, Nico. Over square root times square root of 3 is equal to 3. Okay? This is what we call rationalization. Yes, I will drink water. Ayaw niya na daw. Okay, so, the final answer of this, again, you can simplify 9 and 3. 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. So, that's 3 square root of 3. Tagal pa ba recess? Guys, you know, in our science high school, there was a time na math was 2 hours. Like, all the subjects are 1 hour. Tapos, math was 2 hours. But anyway. So, yes. So, that's called rationalization. Now, going back, we have to answer, paano naman tatanggalin ang 3 minus square root of 3? Now, ang goal lang natin dito ay matanggal ito. And hindi gagana yung ginawa natin kanina. Kasi may minus sign dito. Okay? Hindi siya gagana. So, wait, I'll teach you guys pag hindi siya square root lang. So, 2, try natin pag cube root. Paano i-rationalize ang 3 over cube root of 2? Anong gagawin dito, guys? Anong gagawin dito? Paano siya maka-cancel out? So, ang goal natin kasi ay makancel ang radical. So, need mo help? Do you want to enter the live? Para makancel ang radical, kailangan maging cube ang nasa loob nito. Okay? So, ang pwede natin i-multiply ay cube root ng 2 squared. Bakit 2 squared? Kasi pag pinagsama na natin sila, I'll show you later, okay? Again, ang i-multiply mo sa baba, you have to multiply to the top also. So, multiply sa baba and multiply sa taas. Yes, para mawala. So, now, ito pwede na siya i-multiply as is. That's 3 cube root of 4, kasi squared yan. Tapos, itong nasa baba, magiging cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 yan, di ba? Pero pwede na matanggal ang cube root kasi this is 2 cube. So, it will be just, anong magiging answer sa ilalim? What will the answer below be? Familiar daw ang boses. Nobody has been saying it this year, but last year people kept saying I sound like Mika, like from Beanie. But I feel like that's because Beanie was just in their hype era last year, and they're not hype any. I mean, they're still hype, but they were so hyped last year. So yes, the answer is 2. Bakit 2? Kasi that's 3 cube root of 2. So, makakancel lang ang cube and makakancel ang cube root. So, ang may iwan ay just 2. So, ganun tayo magka-cancel or pagtatanggalin ang cube root. Okay, now going back. Going back, let's go to the answer. Go to the actual question. So, paano ika-cancel ang 3 minus square root of 3? Dito na papasok ang stock knowledge of yesterday's lesson. Yesterday ba yun? Or 2 days ago, where we put in dots. Okay? This is what we call the difference of two squares. Kasi, when we multiply, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-multiply natin by 3 plus square root of 3. What does that do? What does that do? Yes, okay. 3 plus square root of 3. Again, whatever you multiply sa ilalim, ay kailangan i-multiply sa taas. Plus square root of 3. Bakit plus? Okay, dito na papasok. Remember, ang meaning ng dots ay a plus b times a minus b ay equal to a squared minus b squared. FOIL method? Yes. This is not FOIL method. Kind of, but yeah. So this is you have to remember. Hello to the new people. Are you guys new? There's a lot of people following right now. So if you guys are new, make sure to follow. Bumalik na ang mga taong pumunta sa ibang live. Char! Ba't kayo ganyan, guys? Pinagpapalit nyo ko. Char! Okay, let's continue. Again, guys, hello Mewtwo. Thank you for the heart me. And Nick and S for the gifts. Mga taksil, true. Ang loyal lang ang gusto ko, guys. Char! Okay, so let's continue. So, pag a plus b times a minus b kasi, maka-cancel out lang, or basta magiging a squared minus b squared siya, okay? Magiging a squared minus b squared. So, ano mangyayari dito? As we can see, we multiplied it to a plus, which means dots siya, okay? Yes, it's dots. So, loyal student here. Thank you, basta. So, ang mangyayari dyan, guys, it will become 3 squared minus 3 square root of 3 squared. Okay? A squared, yung 3, b squared, ang negative 3 squared. Did we get that? Did we get that? Answer yes if gets or no if hindi gets. Mahina daw ang audio. Mahina. Mahina ka sa kanya. Ha? Joke lang. Joke lang. Bawal na mag-CR, guys. You hold it in. Hold it in hanggang magka-UTI. Char. Sakto lang. Okay, bakit hindi natin gets? Let me think of a different example. So, same lang siya, guys. Dahil A minus B ito. So, look at this. This is dots. Ito ang A plus B. A minus B, where A is 3 and B is square root of 3. Ang A plus B natin ay square root of 3 ay 3 plus square root of 3. So, pag minultiply na natin siya, ito formula to screenshot nyo if you don't remember, but the difference of two squares, this is a formula, is na pag minultiply mo itong dalawa, magiging A squared minus B squared. Okay? Yes, just apply the formula, guys. This means difference of two squares. If you don't know what this is, you can watch the last 2 lives we did, or the last live. It's on my YouTube channel over here. Please subscribe, guys. We're so close to 5K. If you subscribe, we're gonna post actual videos. I haven't posted like lecture videos. Puro recordings pa lang, but I plan to post lecture videos soon. It's giving like orgchem ang gusto, like the orgchem tutor guy. But yes, so ang ginawa natin, square lang natin siya. And ang mangyayari dito, guys, pag na-square ang square root, ano ang mangyayari pag na-square ang square root? Makakancel siya. Makakancel ang square ng square root. Pag na-square ang square root, matatanggal ang square root. Yes, cancel. Cancel. So, yun ang goal natin, di ba? Kasi rationalize, ang ibig sabihin ng rationalize ay mawala. What happened, Bella? Ang mawawala ang square root. Kasi bawal magka-square root sa ilalim. Bawal magka-square root sa ilalim. Kaya na-cancel siya gamit ang difference of two squares. Two squares. Ayan. So, ano na ang matitira sa taas? Yung taas naman, i-multiply din natin dito. So, i-distribute natin siya. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 8 times square root of 3. Ngayon, i-simplify na lang natin siya. Paano malalaman pag gagamit ng ganyang formula? Pag yung radical ay may minus sign. Pag minus sign yan or plus sign, I'll give you another example. Pag plus sign naman, ganun din. Okay? So, let's finish this first. What will be the final answer here? Tapusin muna natin to. 24 plus 8 square root of 3. This is 9. 9 squared. 3 squared is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now, pwede pa rin ba to ma-simplify? Kailangan nyo pa rin siya i-simplify, okay? So, we can divide all of these by 2. Divide by 2 mo ito, divide by 2 mo ito, divide by 2 mo ito. That will give you 12 plus 4 square root of 3 over 3. Now, pwede pa rin ba siya ma-divide? Hindi na siya pwede ma-divide, okay? So, the answer is, hindi na siya dinivide. Dinivide siya. The answer is letter C. Bakit A? Nothing beats the Jet 2 holiday. Yes. Not the brain rot. Me plus you is us. Guys, you guys are incoming college and I'm graduating. I'm not here for that. Just kidding. Okay, so the answer is C for Christ. Guys, did you watch the video? None of you watched the video. Go watch the TikTok video I made. I made a TikTok video yesterday, so make sure to check that out and test out your intuition. But yes, thank you for following. I'll make another example, guys. I'll make another example. Paano gagamitin ang difference of two squares for rationalization? So let's give another example. Let's just put 4 over 2 minus 2 plus square root of 2. Ngayon, as you can see, 4 over 2 plus square root of 2. Yes, I uploaded on YouTube, guys. Go check my YouTube over here. The replays are on YouTube. Pa-zoom out. Okay, you want to screenshot the answer? Here. Comment SSD. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you for the rose purple. If you want to come back next time, you can do that. But people leave the live when we do the graded recitation, so maybe next time. You're graduating engineering. Congrats, Michiko. I'm also graduating fake engineering. My course is fake engineering. Yes, it's management engineering. Why hindi inad ang 12 and 4? Kasi meron siyang tinatawag na radical over here. Again, hindi mo pwede i-add kasi may radical. Ito wala siyang radical, so hindi siya pwede i-add. Okay? Pwede lang i-add pag same ang radical. Ano po difference? Bakit pinagpalit niya ako sa iba? Sana nandito ang crush mo. Ipin natin yan. Shout out. Gusto mo ba pangalanan? Ipangalanan ang nagpalit sa'yo. So what do we multiply this with, everybody? Now we're gonna try to rationalize this with the difference of two squares. Ano ang dapat i-multiply natin dito? So dito na papasok ang knowledge nyo on the difference of two squares. Yes, SRA, you are correct. Sarah, is that your name? Sarah. Pepper is okay, stop po. What does that mean? 4 minus 2 square root of 2. Wait lang. Yes, it's 2 minus square root of 2. So, dahil dito, again, yung ginawa natin dito kanina, minus siya. Kaya, nag-multiply tayo ng plus. Kasi ang goal natin ay makakuha ng difference of two squares. Ngayon, plus na ang binigay sa atin ng Lord. So, kailangan minus ang i-multiply natin. So, again, what you write under, kailangan same sa taas. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin dyan ay multiply. So, this, yung ilalim, magiging 2 squared minus 2. 2 squared minus 2. Hello, Ken! Welcome back to the live. 2 squared minus 2. Bakit? Kasi na-cancel out ang square root squared. Okay? Na-cancel out ang square root squared. Masakit daw sa ulo. It's okay. We got this, guys. We can solve anything if we work together. How to solve complicated single life? That's a good question. We're only here for math though. Nawala ako. Wait lang. What part, guys? Gets ba natin? Tapos yung taas, pwede na natin i-multiply ang dito. So that will be 8 minus 4 square root of 2. Welcome back to the live, Ken. 4 minus 2 square root of 2 or 2 square root of 2. Let's see the answer, guys. Let's see the answer. So now we have this. Now we have this. What's gonna be next? What we're gonna do is simplify again. 2 squared minus 2, that's 4 minus 2, will give us over 2. Tapos ang taas ay 8 minus 4 squared. Now, pwede pa rin ba to i-simplify? Pwede pa rin kasi divisible ang 8 by 2. Ito divisible by 2, ito divisible by 2. So, makakancel ang 2 sa ilalim, kaya that will give us 4 minus 2 square root of 2. Wow, that was so amazing. Where is the clapping sound? Alright. What's this? No, not a fail. Or we didn't fail. We got it. Yes, galing. Okay. So the answer is letter C. Did we understand? That is the technique of rationalization. If you guys want to do it again, just replay the live. I'm gonna post it later. Okay. Hala ka. Next na, guys. Next na. Tama na? Tama na ba? Are we done? Are we done today for today's video? Are we done? Yan na naman si X. Ay, ito na yung last question. Last question for today. Kasi next, ibang lesson na to. So, last question na, guys. Yes, last po. Yes, last question. Pabalik, okay, screenshot nyo muna. Ask any questions if you want. I'm also gonna upload, guys, hindi ko pa yun na-upload, but I will upload this annotated PDF, okay? I'll upload the annotated PDF. Yes, it's overwhelming. It's okay if it is. If you guys want to slow down, you can watch the review live. So, I have the replays on my YouTube. Ina-upload ko naman siya. Tapos yung annotated file nito, isa-send ko din, okay? So, make sure to, please follow me on Instagram and YouTube. My YouTube is up here if you guys want. Here, let's put it in the middle of my face. There. Make sure to follow me, guys. Guys, we need to get to 5K so that I will be motivated to post lecture videos. But yes, what was I saying? Kakarating ko lang, nahuli na ako. It's okay, you can rewatch the live. Hello. Hello, Kagabi. Kakarating ko lang. It's okay. Pwede po ba, wait, magpa-recon if 3.3? I think pwede naman. Anong 4 po? Paano, yung 4, paano ulit nakuha? Asan yung 4? This is 2 squared. 2 squared, etong 4. Pero if you're asking about this 4, paano siya nakuha? we divided 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. Tapos, 4 square root of 2 divided by 2 will give you 2 square root of 2. Okay? So, dun ang galing yung 4. Dito siya. Okay, next. Last question tayo, guys. Make sure to follow if you guys are new here. We're gonna come back live again someday, okay? So, just join my IG channel. I'll show you guys my IG. Oh, wait. So, here's my TikTok bulletin. My bulletin, nasa yung TikTok bulletin? This is the TikTok bulletin. Hala, hindi kita. Ayan, I announce when we go live on TikTok. So, if you follow me on TikTok, you can join the bulletin. We're currently at 2K followers. Tapos, meron ding IG channel because if ayaw nyo ng TikTok, if ayaw nyo ng TikTok bulletin, may IG channel. So, yes, IG channel is over here. IG channel. Just follow me on IG and then you're gonna get the IG channel. If you follow me on IG, there's gonna be an update. But yes, last question na. Last question na tayo, guys. Solve x plus 20 is equal to x. So, what I would do here, right? The easy way, the hard way to do it, or the long way, is obviously, ipapasok, let's do it the long way first. Yes, thank you, Ruder Fordium. You were here before, diba? Were you here before? You're new here. What kind of topics do you cover? Hello, Cloud RD. Hello to everybody that's new here. Again, my name is Julia. I'm a graduating senior. I teach math mostly. I'm gonna try to teach science soon to get out of my comfort zone. But mostly, we try to teach math and make it easy for everybody. And if you want to figure out the type of lives I do, I have live replays on YouTube as well. So yes, thank you, Purple, for the rose. So, what we're gonna do, guys, is what we call trial and error. Hahaha. Ipasok na lang natin ang mga choices dito. The easy way is ipasok ang mga choices. So, try natin. Pag xi 5, magiging 20 plus 5, that's 25. So, square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, check ang 5. Check ang 5. Now, try natin si negative 4. Negative 4 naman. Negative 4 plus 20 is equal to 16. Square root of 16. So, that's equal to 4 plus minus 4. Right? So, yes, plus minus 5. Yep, dapat plus minus 5 din. So, technically, tama din siya. Hindi tama ang negative 5. Hindi din tama ang positive 4. So, the answer is, tama yan. The answer is yes. This is correct. So, the answer is letter B. But if you want the full way of solving it, tae means trial and error. Hala, hindi marunong mag-spell. Okay. So, we're gonna try the long way of solving it. Try lang natin. Malay mo, mag-work. Ano yan? Ano yung line na yan? Okay, so how do we solve this? Kailangan matira si x mag-isa. Okay? Paano iiwan si x? Kung nandyan pa rin siya? Joke lang. Ang gagawin natin is square muna natin para matanggal ang radical. Wag po. Transpose. Hindi muna tayo magta-transpose. Tanggalin muna ang radical. Paano tatanggalin ang radical na to, guys? Square both sides. Yes, ribbon. Thank you, Matt, for the gift, and Razzie. So, square both sides. This will give us x plus 20. Mawawala ang radical dito. Mawawala siya. Kasi square natin siya. Is equal to x squared. Yes, we already used the tae method. Okay? We already solved it. We're just trying to go the long way. Tapos, transpose na natin. So, what we get is, i-move natin ang x dito. I-move natin siya dito. That will give you x squared plus minus x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now, we just have to solve for x. Okay? Tama ka, Kuya Nico. I saw your comment. I didn't see your comment. Pa-SS. Wait lang, guys. Tapusin lang natin. Nico, what is your comment? Pin it. Okay. Year or grade? This is grade 8, guys. Basic math. Grade 8. Grade 8 lang yan. Grade 8 or grade 9? Factor, yes. Guys, remember, I taught you guys how to factor. How do we factor something like this? Kailangan mo isipin, again, first, draw two bubbles. Draw a bubble on x, and draw another bubble with another x. Now, we have to think of the factors of 20. What factors of 20 ang pwedeng lumabas para maging negative 1 ang sagot? Pwede ang yes, negative 5 and 4. Negative 5 times 4 is equal to 20, pero pag in-add mo sila, magiging equal to negative 1. So, dahil equal siya sa negative 1 or yung number dito, pwede ang negative 5 and then plus 4. Now, we just have to solve or equate it to 0. So, that's x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. And x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 4. So, again, as you can see, nakuha pa rin natin ang sagot. Kasi, like, kahit anong mangyari, babalik at babalik ka pa rin. So, the answer is letter B. Pero mas madali syempre, guys. Trial and error. Okay? Trial and error ang mas madali. Kasi, nagmamadali tayo sa UPCAT. Hala, Mavi. Babalik pa rin sa X. Huwag ganun. Hindi yung tama. Hindi na babalik. That's correct. Ito ang shortcut, guys. Ang shortcut dyan, syempre mahaba yung ginawa natin. Ang shortcut ay, ipapasok mo lang yung number. Tinry lang natin. Try lang natin. Paulit-ulit. Okay, wait. So, ang ginawa natin, ba't siya naglo-load? Okay, so ang ginawa natin, dahil ang given ay 5 and negative 4 or no solution, ito try mo lang both. So, try mo ipasok dito, 5 plus 20, that will be square root of 25, which is just equal to 5. So, check ang 5. Try mo ang negative 4. Negative 4 plus 20 is equal to square root of 16, which is equal to negative 4, or plus minus 4. So, tama ang letter B. Okay? So, letter B is the answer. That's the easiest way to do it. Wag na mag-end live hanggang bukas. Guys, I wanna do like, you know, the subathons. I don't know if you watch Twitch, but every time that somebody subscribes, pwede, like, basta magiging 24-hour stream siya. But one of these days, eventually. Because I wanna stream not just UPCAT, but I don't know how to get out of just streaming the UPCAT. But yes, paano naging negative 4? Kasi, plus minus 4 yan. Every time you square root something. For example, square root of 64. Plus minus 8 yan. Bakit siya plus minus? Ang ibig sabihin ng plus minus is when you square 8, equal yan to 64. But when you square negative 8, equal pa rin siya sa 64. Nice naman. Wow. Backless na naman. Dami mo namang backless. How did you... I did go to a review center, but I don't. Yeah, I wanna do a game stream. Okay. Yan, SS nyo guys. SS the long way if you want. Every when, I announce on my IG channel or TikTok bulletin when I go live. So, make sure to join the IG channel or TikTok bulletin. Also, please follow on YouTube, guys. Let's try to get to 5K. I play Valorant, but I haven't been playing in a while. I also play ML. I play Minecraft, but just alone. Valo ulit. Naglalaro ka ba ng Valo, Nico? Do you upload the annotated sheets? Yes, I'll upload it tonight, and I'll send the link sa TikTok and sa... I'll be posting the link sa IG channel, okay? So make sure to join. Dismissal na ba? COD? I've tried COD M. But yeah, it's boring for me. It's so boring. Di ba boring? Or hindi lang ako magaling? How to get the sked ng live? I mostly announce like one day before or during the day. So, medyo spontaneous. I'm gonna try to make, But yes, guys, we're ending already. So, if you wanna leave, say goodbye because I have attachment issues. Make sure to follow before leaving. So, yes. Make sure to follow. Come back next time. But yes. Dismissal na, guys. Next time, huwag kayong aalis pag may graded receipt. Ha? Hindi yun tama. Dapat may way na bawal paalisin. Pag aalis kayo, huwag kayo mali. Goodbye, Jean. Bye, Brent. Bye, Divine. Bye, Luxy. Are you leaving? Yes, class dismissed na. Bye, Bellion. Uwian na, guys. May tanong pa ba kayo? Make sure to join the Instagram. How do I show it? Just follow me on Instagram and join the... Ayan pala yung Instagram. It's over here. Instagram is over here if you want. Tapos, can we get to 5K? Guys, before you leave, there's 1.2K people here. So let's try to get to 5K on YouTube. Am I right? Am I right? 200 lang ang kailangan, guys. Ayaw nyo ba ako i-follow? Pinapost ko din yung mga... Ayan ang YouTube natin. So, yes. Make sure to join our YouTube. Oh, my emails daw for the UPCAT updates. Wala pang ano, 'di ba? Wala pang test permit, guys. But yes. If you guys have any question on the questions we've done, you can still ask. Hala, ayan na, 'di ba? When I show the YouTube, guys, nare-restrict ang live. So, hindi ko na siya ipapakita. Okay, ayaw niya ipakita ang YouTube. So, just YouTube is over here. We're gonna leave because they restricted the live already. But yes, gumagawa ka ng college maths. I haven't so far, but I can teach naman if we want. Julia Academy. Yes, my YouTube na, guys. Make sure to follow. Session bukas, I'll try, guys. Either bukas or Sunday, okay? Bukas, Sunday, or Monday. I mean, I announced naman. Just check the channels for the updates. Okay? Siopaw, it's okay. Come back or watch the recording na lang. This is for grade 7 to 10. So, yes. Next session, we are gonna do radicals again, pero sa test B, okay? So, ito yung assignment nyo. If you guys want to answer, do radicals algebra test B. Nico, tatawagin na kita next time. Char. Calculus, maybe one day. Or maybe sa YouTube na lang. I'll try to post on YouTube. Yes. Instagram is over here. Instagram here. Guys, read. How do I make it bigger? Let's just make it bigger. Also, the free ano are there, okay? Free lang yung ano dyan, reviewers. You can open it. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Thank you, Nico. Come back soon. I hope you have a good break if tapos na ang sem mo. Yes, time na mag-start reviewing Jujuals. Yes, make sure to follow so you guys can come back. Bye. Bye. This reviewer is the PTS reviewer. So just check it on my Instagram. It's there for free. Bye, guys. Oh, it's done. Congrats, Nico. Another sem down. You're so close to graduating. Char. Bye, guys. Bye, Nico. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow or the next day. PTS reviewer, PTS mathematics. Bye.